Hey guys, this is a really deep crease I repaired a couple of weeks ago. It's got a scratch in it, and I don't love doing them because there's almost no point in doing them unless they get painted. So I start this out with a ball tip with a couple layers of Tessa tape, and I've got to get the tip there. So there's some obstructions like the door handle bracket. So there's a lot of tapping down that happens during the process, and it's mainly because the metal that gets hit is a lot stronger, the geometry of it, than the metal around it. Okay, hold up. I just want to show you this example of a car that I saw on a used car lot. And this is an example of when you're not accurate with how hard you push, the sensitivity for that, and where you're placing the pushes. So it's really not as easy as it looks. At this point, I've switched to a really sharp tip tool, and the purpose of it is to actually tighten up the panel and to pick out some really small lobes. And it's always best to work from both sides. Now this side I'm more parallel to this part of the crease I'm working on now. And this spot right here was the worst. It's super deep, and I spent quite a bit of time actually pushing it up, tapping back down, pushing it up, and tapping back down. So I just want to explain there's a lot of iterations of this, and because the impact point is so strong, a lot of times, like I mentioned before, when you push that up, like a lot of the other stuff around it that's weaker and softer comes up with it. So it's usually a back and forth thing to get it smooth. So this is how far I took it. It's going to need a little bit of sanding and filler and repaint. Again, I did this for a painter, so he's going to take over now. Hey, thank you so much for watching this far. I really appreciate it. Peace and take care.